Before we start, this episode is designed for English learners at A2 to B1 level. The language is clear and simple. To get the best result from this episode, follow these steps. First, listen without reading. Just listen and understand the emotions. Second, listen again and repeat after us. Pause if you need. Third, choose 5 new expressions and write your own sentences. If you do this, your English will improve faster than you think. Now, let's begin.
Can I ask you something, but promise you won't judge me?
I promise.
Why do I always feel like people will leave me?
Did someone leave you before?
Yes, and since then, I don't trust love. When someone gets close to me, I feel happy, but also afraid.
Afraid of what?
Afraid that I will lose them. Afraid that I am not enough. Afraid that if they see the real me, they will walk away.
What is the real you?
The emotional one. The one who cries easily. The one who overthinks small things. The one who needs reassurance again and again.
Needing reassurance is human, but depending on it is dangerous.
Sometimes I send long messages when I'm upset. Then I regret it. Sometimes I block someone and unblock them the same day.
So your emotions control your actions.
Yes, and I hate it. I feel powerful in the moment, then I feel ashamed later.
That pattern is very common in people with emotional instability. Strong emotions, quick reactions, deep regret.
Why can't I just be calm like other people?
Because calmness is a skill, not a personality. Some people learn it early, some learn it later.
When someone loves me, I feel complete. When they are distant, I feel empty, like my identity disappears.
That means you are building your identity around others, but identity should come from inside.
How do I build it?
Ask yourself, what do I like? What do I believe? What are my goals? Who am I without a relationship?
That question scares me.
Growth always starts with uncomfortable questions.
Sometimes I create problems. If everything is calm, I feel bored. So I test love.
Drama feels familiar to you.
Yes, silence feels suspicious.
Healthy love is quiet. It does not feel like fireworks every day. It feels safe, stable, predictable.
Predictable sounds boring.
Boring is peaceful. Peace is underrated.
What if I push someone away again?
Then you learn. But next time, pause before reacting. When you feel fear, say this sentence in your mind. This is a feeling, not a fact.
That's powerful.
And practice emotional delay. Wait before sending emotional messages. Sleep before making big decisions. Never break up at midnight.
That one hit hard.
Most emotional damage happens at night.
What about therapy?
Therapy is strength. A professional can teach emotional regulation skills. There is no shame in asking for help.
I'm tired of hurting people.
Then stop blaming your personality. Start training your reactions.
So I'm not broken?
No, you are intense. And intensity, when controlled, becomes passion and depth.
And if someone is dating a person like me,
They need boundaries, they need patience, but they also need to protect their own peace. Love is not saving someone. Love is walking together.
I don't want dramatic love anymore.
Then choose stable love, even if it feels unfamiliar.
I want to heal.
Healing is not fast, but every time you pause instead of reacting, you win. That was Speak Smooth English. If this episode touched you, don't just listen once. Practice it, repeat it, shadow it. Improve your English, and maybe improve your emotional life too. See you in the next episode.